अब नानी ने पूरे की है अपने जिंदगी के 75 साल, 75 years of successful. What's up everyone? Good morning and welcome back. Hey guys, this is Nanath and it's my Nani's birthday, so today's video is totally, completely, entirely dedicated to Nani. अब नानी ने पूरी की है अपनी जिंदगी 75 साल, 75 years of a successful life. I got it right this time, finally. So on this special occasion, मामा ने रखा है छोटा सा इवेंट थाने में, because it's staying थाने. So we have a small event जिसमें होस्ट है, games होंगे. I'm making a video for Nani जो स्क्रीन पे चला जाएगा. Everyone's going to watch that, and then cake cutting, lunch for everyone, so that everyone has a super fun time on her 75th birthday, and we have all the blessings for her so that she can तुम जियो हजारों साल के दिनों 50,000, something like that. So the point is we have an event for her which is going to be something special for her. So let's go to Thane first. I know. तो अभी मैं हूँ ठाणे में और अभी यहाँ पे चल रहा है ओपन फेस्टिवल एंड इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग, बट द मेन थिंग ऑफ द इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट ऑफ टुडेज इवनिंग इज आई जम्प्ड इनटू few people and they are I hope you remember these guys met last year in Himachal trip, and it's always fun to meet all these people. Nice meeting you all. See you again. ठीक है, मैं ती ले लूँगा. Okay, time for the grand event. Unfortunately, I missed the verticals entry, but I hope someone has did that. But now let's move ahead with the celebration. Four, three, two, one. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Auntie. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hey guys, this is Nanath and it's my Nani's birthday, so today's video is totally, completely, entirely dedicated to Nani. So अगला सीक्वेंस जो आप देखने वाले हो, it is basically a Bollywood song जिसपे images चलेंगे, but the whole idea of the concept of this video is to make a video which can express what we as in me, my family, mama, mommy, everyone feels about Nani. So Aji, head to the daddy.
कुछ पूछा ना कुछ मांगा, तूने दिल से दिया जो दिया, ना कुछ बोला ना कुछ तोला, मुस्कुरा के दिया जो दिया। तू ही धूप, तू ही छाया, तू ही अपना पराया, और कुछ ना जानू
yeah, that's exactly how we feel about Nani. Like, seriously. And now let's move ahead to the birthday celebration. So let's wish the birthday girl.
बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे
Dear Aji.
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Alright, now time for some special words from some special people. Bolo.
Hi Ajit, thanks for taking care of me, and on your 75th birthday I wish you a very very happy birthday, and it would have been seriously difficult without you, and you have helped me in all my situations, so thanks for all your love, and I seriously wish you a very very happy birthday.
Hello, I wish you a very very happy birthday, and I want to special thanks to her because of her support and always positive approach, and she always guide me in such a proper way that I could take a positive step in my life. Thank you so much, and we love you too much.
आई, तुझ्या असण्यामुळे मला खूप शक्ती मिळते. तू आता जशी माझ्या पाठीशी आहेस तशीच अजून राहावीस, अशीच माझी देवाकडे इच्छा आहे. देवाजवळ प्रार्थना आहे, आणि तुला असे चांगले आरोग्य आणि चांगले उदंड आयुष्य मिळवून हीच माझी इच्छा.
हॅलो आई, वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. आता या वयामध्ये पण तुम्ही एवढ्या एनर्जेटिक आणि एवढ्या उत्साही आहात ना, हे बघून आम्हाला फार आनंद होतो, आणि यापुढे पण तुम्ही अशाच राहा हीच आमची इच्छा आहे आणि देवाची प्रार्थना आहे. थँक्यू.
2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aji. Happy birthday to you. Okay, that's the end. That's pretty much it. End of the story. But let me tell you what. ये event हुआ था 13 जनवरी. It took me almost a month. मतलब not literally a month. पिछले 2 दिन से तो edit कर रहा हूँ, but 1 महीना लगा एक वीडियो अपलोड करने में. So right now I'm feeling so satisfied, so happy के after all the excuses I had, finally एक वीडियो बना लिया मैंने. I'm going to upload that. Feeling happy about it. And how much that's it. Feeling happy about it. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then hit the like button if you like this video. Check out my other videos and let me know what you think about them in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. And I know that is loud, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.